in this video I will show you something really important for me, and I was so excited when I saw it. And you can't believe this. Animal Jam just sent me a message. You see? I am. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Oh my god! I really want to click this, and now let's just. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, okay. Let's just click it. Click. Okay. Okay. Oh my god! That's so cool! I really like it. Okay, guys. If you like it, just write a comment. Write a comment and tell me, is it good? Okay, guys. Just click. Keep here. Keep. Okay. Come on. Come on. Oh, really? Yay! Is it here? Yes, it is. Let me put this somewhere. Maybe. Where? I don't have space. Yeah, here. Come on. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. I'm so happy for this. Okay, guys, this video is really short because when I saw that, I wanted to tell that to you, and that's why this video is so short. Okay, guys, see you in my next video. I promise it will be longer. Okay, guys, bye. Have a nice day.